Life is not just about the days we live, but the moments we remember. Meaning isn't found in things, it's found in moments. In sunrises we didn't plan to see, in conversations we never expected to have. We don't travel to run from life, we travel to return to it, to listen, to breathe, to begin again, to be reminded of who we are. When the world is quiet and the sky feels endless, we walk through cities we don't know, and somehow feel at home. We stand at the edge of a mountain, and suddenly remember what it means to breathe. These are the memories that matter, the ones without price. Memories we collect like light, fading but never lost. Because in the end, no one remembers the deadlines, the traffic, the noise. They remember how it felt to be alive. This is my way of staying alive, long after I'm gone.